welcome if you are new here. My name is Kendi. You are watching this on, I'm guessing, YouTube um, for Kindred, Soul, and Sage. And I'm just going to talk to you while I drive because this is like the only time I get right now to have a discussion. So we're going to drive and we're going to talk. So, what I want to talk about is simple. I'm making some serious shifts and changes to Kindred, Soul, and Sage. And so I wanted to just give you guys a heads up and tell you what's coming and roll over with some ideas that I have for the future of the business and me and art. So I've been trying multiple different things. If you don't know, I am like super passionate about, 50 different things in life. And I love business. I love marketing. I love social media. But I also love creativity, and my creativity comes in the form of um, making things and drawing and art. And so I started Kindred Soul and Sage as like my last final, this is who I am, this is what I want to be um, thing. So, but I'm still multi passionate. I still love things, I still love ideas. And I want to be able to bring those in here. I'm a certified Reiki healer master teacher. I do soul pulling. I do so many things. So I really wanted to take all my multi passions and turn them into a singular, this is what we're going to do. So I think with all of what I've been going through and looking at, I think that I've came down to I have an idea what I want this to be, and so we're going to roll with it. Over the next few months here, I'm going to be making some serious shifts. You will see a logo change. That is me just transforming and morphing into the next person that I am, the next business, the next what we want to create with the channel. And with the business, I'm going to do some teaching, but I'm actually going to hold back on most of the teaching. I will say that I'm going to hold back on most of the teaching. I will be building out my pendulum course because that is like my signature thing, and I have a lot of people that I need to get set up with that again. And so I will be doing the pendulum course, but that's going to be a little ways down the road. My goals here, let's just talk about those, are I'm going to start building collections. Um, I have my cute little animal collections that I've been working on, and I haven't actually, I had plans to release Mabel this last month, but it did not happen. Life has just been a roller coaster ride, and so that did not happen. So I haven't started with that yet. So we will see what happens with that one. And sorry if this is bumpy. I mean, I just wanted to talk, but I'm driving, so it is what it is. Um, so you're going to see logo changes. You're going to see changes with uh, how the whole entire thing has changed, um, how I am changing along with it and along with, uh, where I'm at in life as well. So let's just say that there's going to be some mighty transformation. Um, I will have collections coming out because I want to really start going for my goal of becoming art licensed through companies to get my art in stores and on products that are outside of my store. Um, so I have my little Maple collection that I will be getting finished up. And then I have several more of those little animals that I'll be releasing as we go here. And those are just kind of like mini collections, more of a, this is a series for people that, need those sort of things. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back and look on my Instagram and you can see all the pictures of the little animals that I'm working on. So that's the start of that. I want to really keep those going, but those aren't going to be my main focus. I'm going to start really working on collections, surface pattern designing, and creating to get art licensed. I'm hoping within 6 months here, I can get set up to do an art licensing and start pitching art licensors. And that's my like serious main goal. But I also want to create for the people, for everybody. I want to be able to touch people along with, getting those things together. So I have a lot of ideas. And I want to really start showcasing what I can do and who I am as an individual and as an artist, versus trying to follow the trends and trying to be something that social media says that we need to be. I think we're all pretty guilty of this. Oh, let's follow here. My God, she's doing this, that. And we get so wound up in those things that we don't realize that we need to fall back are what we are and where we've been. And we need to leave the where we've been in the past. And if that's not a successful artist, then it's not a successful artist. If it is, then we need to look at why that changed. So this is going to have a lot of things happening. I have my whole other collection, the Lunar Codex collection. I have already put on journals, and I'm hoping that I can get them all up on Amazon in the next couple of weeks. Actually, I would like those to go up on Amazon to sell the journals for everybody so that they're there and ready to go. So that's going to be happening. I may be putting those also on tote bags. So if you go in kindredsolandsage.com right now, you can look and see there is a really beautiful collection of greeting cards with the zodiac signs on them and my beautiful little creation with the pink. I love it. It's so pretty and it's so simple, but it made a beautiful collection. So those I may be putting on tote bags. I don't know if I'm going to put them anywhere else. I think we're going to stick with journals. I do know I need to get stickers put out for those as well. So there's going to be stickers, greeting cards, possibly tote bags, and I know journals. So keep an eye out for those. What else? I'm trying to think. So we're out for summer. We just had 4th of July. So this is all going to start happening. This video I'm going to try to put out in the next couple of days. And so I want you to just hang out, follow us, give us some love. I am currently full-time working. My husband is supposed to go back to work on possibly the 13th. We're really hopeful for that. So I can take a small break and gather my thoughts and get myself in order. But I'm going to really show you guys this trip along the way. And this video is the start of it. This video is the start of, this is who we are. This is where I'm at. This is what I want to become. And I'm not holding back who I am anymore, or what I am, or why I am, or my art, because I'm afraid that somebody's going to pick it apart. No matter how much I work on a piece of art, if I put it away and I say it's finished because I just need to give it up, and I think a lot of artists can say this the same as I can, is we'll come back 10 days from now and look at it again and go, oh my gosh, look at all this terrible things that I did. Let me fix it. And so an art piece to me is never complete. It really isn't. So all of the things that I've done, all of the things that I've created up until now are cherished as learning curves, as things that I am in love with, and I will take to the next chapter. Um, but I also know that I need to stop holding back on those things that I really know that I can create, that I've been afraid to show people. So, yeah, I'm excited. I'm just going to throw this in there. I got to get over here. Oh my goodness. So, sorry, I was trying to watch traffic there. Um, I'm excited to stick this out with me, watch me grow. The good, the bad, and the ugly. I'm not holding back on who you are going to see. If things happen, I'm going to share them, and we'll go from there. So thank you, everybody. Again, my name is Kindy Len, and I am the artist, the mama, the everything behind Kindred, Soul, and Sage. And I love you all. Thank you for being here.